Start by confirming the main tube O-ring is installed and properly lubricated. Next, apply lubricant to the internal area of the regulator where the main tube O-ring will be seated. This helps prevent the O-ring from getting cut during installation. Verify 3 to 4 threads are visible on the main tube, where the flex knob assembly screws on. With the lever arm visible and facing up and the matching hex on the main tube aligned with the matching hex on the regulator body, depress the lever and insert the main tube assembly into the regulator body. The inlet side of the main tube should be flush with the outside of the regulator body. Once that's checked, install your lubed O-ring onto the bent tube adapter. Then torque the adapter to the specified torque. There should be a small gap between the regulator body and the adjustment packing nut. Torque the adjustment packing nut at the flex knob to the specified torque. Finish by installing the locking clip into the retaining groove found on the adjustment packing nut. Important: resistance must be felt between the clip and the groove to ensure the clip will stay in place. Lastly, make sure the lock clip is fully engaged into its mating groove.